wonder what they're digging. Somebody's in the road. Not quite, but close. Well, folks, it's later in the afternoon. There go the chickens. And I decided to limp my way down here to see if I could figure out what those guys were doing a couple hours ago. I noticed when I came home, about an hour later, they were gone. Let me get away from the edge of the road. All kinds of trash here. Ah. Aha! It was worth coming down. You can see this is freshly, they dug. Now, here's what I'm going to say. The water pipeline came along there, then it had to scoot around the corner, cross the road, up a little, the grade a little bit, and then come back down here. And I've been told that there would be the potential for water taps along the way as part of the agreement for the whole thing. Now, what I've noticed down the road is one or two fire hydrants that weren't there before. I don't think they would have two of these for two fire hydrants, but who knows? If you guys have an idea as to why they would put two of these, please say something. One could be for a fire hydrant and the other could be for something else. But I'm not an expert at this. Okay, good. I'm glad I came down. This is Steve A.B.4L being nosy about the water pipeline, which is meant to supply Wolf Speed in the next county, in the direction of Siler City. And they're obviously still working on different aspects and stages of constructing the pipeline. Steve A.B.4L. Waiting for rain, hoping for rain, and loving to see the new features saying, mystery features saying see you in 73.